I am from Uganda, and I come to school to get my skill approved, and I need to get a better job because I look for a job in the United States. I cannot find a job. They say I'm not reading, and I don't know how to writing and reading. I need to find a GED to help me to approve get a better job to help me with my children. And I can help them with the homework, and he's helped me too. If I go to their appointment, I can fill the paper. Before, I don't know anything. Even to say hi, I don't know. But now I try. Thank you, God, to everyone, to my teacher, or they help me with everything.